start. Okay. So the first we start with the poem. The poem's name is Have You Ever Seen? Okay. And the poet's name is Anonymous. Now, what is Anonymous? Anonymous किसका नाम नहीं है, ठीक है? Anonymous is not someone's name. Anonymous is when a person doesn't want his name to be known. Okay. Like if I'm your teacher, okay, but I don't want you all to I don't want you to tell anyone that I am teaching you all. You all will say that I am being taught by anonymous. Anonymous is a term used for someone who जिसको लोग का नाम नहीं जानने का. Okay. If I don't want anyone to know my name, I'll use the term anonymous. Have you all understood what is anonymous, everyone?
Yes, sir. But why?
Yes, sir.
So it's like keeping their privacy. Like say, for example, like the person who has written this poem, he might not want to be famous. Okay, because if this poem gets out now, if it's in अगर तुम लोग textbook में दिया है poem, so obviously it's important, ना? So he doesn't want that fame or something. He doesn't want to be termed as a writer. That's why he uses the term anonymous like that. Okay. Now we see. Now we go with the poem. The poem's name is Have You Ever Seen? मतलब क्या तुमने कभी देखा है? Okay. So there are a few different. It's a little hard to understand, so they just pay attention. Okay. Have you ever seen a sheet on a river bed? Okay. Now, what is a river bed? Can anyone tell me what's a river bed? Before I show you the photo, can anyone tell me
The
what's
shore
a river
of
bed?
the river. The shore of the river.
Okay. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. Okay. So I'll just show you. Okay. So basically, the shore of the river is called as the river bed. Okay. So in this photo, this area is called as the river bed. Has everyone understood what is a river bed? Everyone?
Yes,
Everyone
sir.
understood what is? Oh, very good. Okay.
Sir,
So
I'm not
now
able to see because of network
not
issue.
able to see. अच्छा, okay. Let me try again.
सर मतलब स्क्रीन दिख रहा है पर ऐसा हैंग हो रहा है मेरा.
अच्छा, okay. मैं वापस से कर रहा हूँ. Can you all see now, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So basically, what you see next to your river, ना river के बाजू में जो जगह है, that is called as your river bed. Okay. तो you all tell me now, क्या तुम लोग ने river के bed के मतलब आजू बाजू में चद्दर देखा है क्या? Okay. Have you all seen over there चद्दर देखा है? Sheet मतलब चद्दर. Has anyone seen over there?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So this is basically the like a trick question. Like वो लोग ने बोला, see, they have used the term river bed. So they have asked you the question, have you all ever seen a chaddar on a river bed? Because where we use the blanket, we use it on a bed. Okay, you all will understand the head. Have you all ever seen a single hair from a hammer's head? So the hammer, na. So okay, let me show you the photo also. Okay, so now this is a hammer, and the first part of your hammer is called as the hammer head. Okay, has everyone understood what is a hammer head? Everyone understood what is a hammer head?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, so have you all seen any hair on the hammer head? Hammer के जो head पे उससे hair देखे बाल देखे क्या उगते हुए कभी किसने? No. Okay. No, because it's not possible only because hair is only possible from human head. Okay. So it's that simple. It's just tricky. It's just trying to trick you all. Okay, we'll see more. Okay, has a foot of a mountain any toes? Now, what's the foot of a mountain? Can anyone tell me?
The bottom of the mountain.
Absolutely correct. So if this is your mountain, this part of your mountain is called as the foot of the mountain. So does the foot of the mountain have any toes like us? Does the mountain get up in the night and चल मैं walk पे जा रहा है चल के आता है क्या mountain? No. Okay, but still the place is called the foot of the mountain. Okay, and is there a pair of garden hose? Now what is a garden hose? Garden hose are those pipes. जो green color का pipe रहता है ना, देख green color का pipe रहता है, हम लोग जिसमें झाड़ को पानी डालते हैं. That's called a hose. So क्या वो pipe is the pipe a type of snake? No. Okay, so this is just basically hyperactive things which are not possible, but we still use that terminology. Okay, does the needle eye ever wink? Now, what's a needle eye? You all have seen a needle, right? Everyone has seen a needle.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I'll show you all the photo. Okay, दूसरा needle आ गया. Wait.
Sir, it's other meaning tiny opening on the top of the needle.
Yes.
Through which
But
needle
the
is
name,
thread.
yeah. But that's called as the needle eye. Okay. So this part now, which is on top of the needle, is called as the needle eye. Now the poet is asking, does ये eye आँख मारता है क्या? Can this eye wink? No. ये कभी आँख मारता है क्या? No. Then why is it termed the needle eye? Because we have eyes and we can wink our eyes. But can this needle wink its eye? No. So basically, these terminologies which are used, the poet has asked, have you all seen like that? Okay. The next, why doesn't the wings of a building fly? Now, what are the wings of the building? Each building which we stay in has
Floors.
different wings, right? Not flows. Wings, right? A wing, B wing, C wing.
Part of building.
Okay. Yeah, parts of building, right? Now, I don't know if say a name of a building is Everest. So Everest, A wing, B wing, C wing. So these are all different
Ajmerite
types
1,
of wings.
Ajmerite 2.
Barabar. So why doesn't the wings of the building make it fly? Because why do we use wings? Why do birds use wings? The birds use these wings to fly. So why doesn't a building fly? Yes, Krishnakant, you have a doubt?
Sir, host means HOSE. Because I log off now.
Hose means that hose means हम लोग देखना जब गार्डन को पानी डालते हैं तब the green color का जो पाइप रहता है ना, that's called as a hose. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. The next one. Can you tickle the ribs of a parasol? Now I'll show you what is a parasol. It's a type of umbrella. Okay. So you all can see this is umbrella.
That support
okay?
the curves.
So, barabar, that support the curve. Now those are known as the ribs of the umbrella. Okay. Like how we have ribs, it's called as the ribs of the umbrella. But अगर हम लोग अगर ribs पे tickle करें तो then we'll start laughing. Umbrella को मैं tickle करेगा, so will the umbrella start laughing? umbrella हंसने लगेगा क्या? No. अगर हंसने लगेगा तो हम लोग भागेंगे. Tickle मतलब how to tell you tickle? Tickle गुदगुली करना है. गुदगुली is called as tickle. Okay. Next. Or open the trunk of a tree. Now, what is the trunk of a tree? Can anyone tell me trunk of a tree?
Sir, a box that
It's,
is used to store article.
Of a tree.
Sir, this. Yeah. Sir, the middle part of the.
I'll
Part
show
of
you.
a tree or. Sir, elephant trunk.
Okay. No, Riyaba. Tree trunk. Okay. See this part now. This part is called as a trunk of a tree. Basically, the body of a tree is called as a trunk of a tree. Okay. What else is called as a trunk? The car के पीछे का जो जगह है, कार के पीछे का जगह is also called as trunk. Now how
A box
car
that
के
is
पीछे
used
का
to store
जगह-
article.
Barabar. How behind the cars we can open the trunk and store things? Can we open the trunk of the tree and store things in that? No. Okay. So basically, these words are same which we use in a day-to-day life, but the usage is different. Okay. The last para. Are the teeth of a rake ever going to bite? Okay. Now let me show you what is a rake. Okay.
Sir, we
See,
sweep leaves with it.
Yes. This thing is called as a rake, and the pointy things on the edge of the rake is called as its teeth. Okay. Now we have teeth, we can bite. The animals have teeth, we can bite. So these teeth of the rake bite? No.
Gardening
Okay.
tool.
Barabar. So the poet is asking you all, have you all seen the teeth of this rake bite anyone? Obviously, we have not seen this. Okay. So this poem is just reminding you that there are things in life with the same name that we use in our day-to-day life, but it's completely different. The usage is completely different. Have the hands of a clock any left or right? Okay. Now the clock has hands. Okay. Clock has hands, but is any one hand lefty or any one hand righty? Like how we have two hands, but we are righty and we are lefty, right? जो any clock is there, like the clock का हाथ बोले आज मेरे को right ही घूमने का है, कल में left घूमेगा, ऐसा बोलता है क्या? No. They go in one direction, but still they are called as the hands. Can the garden plot be dark and deep? And what is the sound of a bird's bark? Now let me show you what is a bird. Bird is a tree basically.
Land area or a.
I'll show you. See, birch is a tree. These trees are there. Now these trees are called as birch. Okay. Now what happens if you hit it? Now these trees are shallow. Okay. Wait, let it load. It's not loading on the screen. Yeah. These trees are called shallow trees. So if you hit it now, like bamboo. Bamboo देखा है सबने. Bamboo everyone has you all might have seen, right? So like that bamboo को जब अपटा तो देखना कैसा आवाज आता है, डिफरेंट साउंड comes. It's the same with these trees. Okay, so it's like a barking sound. So can a tree bark? Can a tree
No,
bark?
sir.
No. But who
Sir,
can
bark
bark?
means the
The
sound
dogs
of a
can
dog.
bark. Yeah, bark means the sound of the dog. But in this case, what does the bark of the tree means? It's branches. This branch is called as a bark. Okay, so both have the same meaning but different usages. Okay, have you all understood this till here? Everyone, have you all understood this poem?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts?
Yes,
okay.
sir.
So now what we did, we learned words with the same word which has two different meanings. Now you all have to tell me more example of a same word having different meanings. Go ahead. Who wants to
Sir,
start?
sea. Sir, sea.
Sea. Okay, very good. Sea. Sea means it's a water body also, and sea means seeing something.
Hello, sir.
Very good. Yes.
Sir, I.
I. Okay. I means I'm calling
I
myself
am
also, and I
Cyrus and
means sea
Isaac.
also. Very good.
Sir,
Very
deer,
good.
deer. Sir,
Deer.
deer.
Okay. Absolutely correct. Deer also is right. Anyone else?
Sir, D 8. Sorry, 8.
8. Yeah, very good. 8 is the number 8 also, and 8 is the 8 is when we eat food also. Garden plot. I'll show you the concept. See, this is called as garden plot. Okay, Mikhail, see, this garden plot is basically when it is when we need to grow plants. Okay, this plant, see, so like see this. Okay, these are basically artificial garden plots. These are made, where like अगर मेरे को घर पे, now if I want to plant a tree in my house, okay, I can't bring the whole garden in my house and plant. Now, what is the most I can do? The most I can do is एक छोटा सा मटका लेके आएगा, उसमें मिट्टी डालेगा, and then I'll plant my tree. So this is called as a garden plot. Okay, has everyone understood the poem? This poem, any doubts you can ask me now only before we go ahead. Any doubts, guys?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay, so this is because this is easy. This is a trick, okay. So the yes.
So can you explain the poem in short 1 second? I can let you read. Means I can on
Okay, see.
6
Okay,
9.
no worry. I'll explain to you also, plus the video you upload you can see also. So what happened? What have you ever seen? So the poem is asking, क्या तूने ये सब चीज देखे? ठीक है? तो जिया, the first thing is a river bed. Now what is a river bed? A river bed is जो नदी के बाजू में जो जगह रहता है उसको river bed बोलते हैं. Okay, and what is another bed? Another bed is हम लोग के घर पे जो बेड मिलता है वो. तो okay, have you ever seen a sheet on a river bed? तूने रिवर को ऐसा रिवर रात को चादर ओढ़ के सोता है क्या? नहीं. Okay, have you
No,
ever
sir.
seen a single hair on a hammer's head? Hammer जो हथौड़ा रहता है, हथौड़े पे तूने बाल उगते हुए देखे हैं क्या? नहीं. But still it is called as a hammer's head. Have you ever seen a foot of a mountain too? Now what is the foot of the mountain? The edge of the mountain, the ending part of the mountain is called as the foot of the mountain. This part is called as the foot of the mountain. Now does mountain रात को बोलता है चल मैं एक राउंड मार के आता है, इसका फिर नीचे से पैर निकल के जाके उछलने आता है क्या? No. Okay.
No, sir.
Then you see, does the needle eye ever wink its eyes? Okay, now let me show you what is the needle eye. Okay, see. Now this is a needle, and this part is called its eye. What else is an eye? What we have two eyes. Okay, we can wink our eyes. हम लोग अपने आँख ऐसा झपका सकते हैं. But can this needle wink its eye? No. But still its name is called the eye. Still the name is called as eye. Why doesn't the wings of a building fly? Now what is a wing of a building? हर building के अलग-अलग part होते हैं. A wing, B wing, C wing. Okay. And what is another meaning of the word wing? Wing मतलब जो birds used to fly. Now can a building fly उठ के? No. Can you tickle the ribs of a parasol? Now what a parasol, I'll show you again. Yeah. See. Now parasol are these things which hold the umbrella. Okay. And what is another meaning of ribs? Are ribs, like a rib cage. Okay. If हम लोग अगर खुद को if we किसके rib cage को गुदगुली करेगा तो वो हंसने लगेगा. ये umbrella को मैं गुदगुली करेगा तो हंसने लगेगा क्या वो? Absolutely
No,
not. Then the next is, or open the trunk of a tree at all. Now what is a trunk? Okay, trunk of a tree मतलब जो झाड़ का नीचे का पार्ट रहता है उसको trunk बोलते हैं. And another word for trunk is जो हम लोग की गाड़ी के डिक्की रहता है ना, डिक्की, गाड़ी का डिक्की, we call that also as trunk. तो हम लोग गाड़ी का डिक्की जैसा खोल सकते हैं, वैसा हम लोग कोई झाड़ को खोल सकते हैं क्या? Absolutely
No,
not.
sir.
Okay.
Sir.
Okay. Are the teeth of a rake ever going to bite? Now, what is a rake? I'll show you. Okay. Now see this thing is called as a rake. ठीक है? This thing called as a rake. Now इसके जो pointed edges है ना जो सामने you can see of black color. Wait, let me just annotate it. Yeah. This thing is called as a rake. Okay. Now this thing is called as the teeth of the rake. इसको दांत बोलते हैं. पर ये क्या है? ये दांत हम लोग काट सकते हैं क्या? किसी को खाना देंगे तो चबा खाएगा क्या? No. The only thing that can bite is us. Which teeth we have. Okay. What is next? One sec. Yeah. Can the hands of a clock any left in have the hands of a clock any left and right? अभी जो clock रहते हैं, जो घड़ी रहते हैं, उसके भी दो हाथ रहते हैं, एक बड़ा हाथ रहता है, एक छोटा हाथ रहता है, ठीक है? उसमें ओलो का लेफ्ट एंड राइट रहता है क्या? Is there any left and right between the clocks? No.
No, sir.
It's the same. Okay, it's the same thing. Can the garden plot be deep and dark? Now garden plot क्या रहता है? जो हम लोग घर पे जो हम लोग गार्डन करते हैं, समझो घर पे अगर अपना एक पॉट रखा है, फ्लावर पॉट रखा है, तो फ्लावर पॉट का जो मिट्टी रहता है वो पूरा नीचे जमीन को जाके टच होता है क्या? बिल्डिंग के नीचे नहीं, वो मटके में रहता है. ओके. Now what is the sound of a birch's bark? Birch's bark मतलब जो झाड़ के डालियां रहते हैं ना, the branches of the leaf, that's called as bark. And what is another term for bark? Bark means कुत्ते लोग का भागने का, बराबर? तो कोई झाड़ कुत्ते जैसा भोग सकता है क्या? No.
No,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay. Have you all understood, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
One second. Okay, I'll in the middle of the lecture only I'll ask those cameras are off. I'll ask them question. Any part of that which you all don't know, you all have to write 50 times. Okay. So I hope you all have understood, everyone. Okay. So we go to the next chapter, that is called as the necklace. Okay. Now what is the meaning of necklace? Can anyone explain me what is the meaning of necklace?
A chain, a gold chain.
Okay, a gold chain. Ornament. Okay. Where we wear necklace? कौन पहनता है? Jewelry. Where we wear necklace?
On the neck.
On the neck.
Absolutely. Okay. So this is a chapter called as the necklace. Okay. Mathilde was a pretty and charming girl, born as if by an error of fate into a family of clerks. Notes of the chapter. When you all have to attend the notes. It's just a small chapter. You all have. See, we'll go through it. Okay, I'll just go through it, then you all can attend. Okay. Now see here. From each of the line of the poem, pick out words that is a homograph. Homograph means a same word meaning two meanings, like a bed. Bed is a piece of furniture and a bottom of a river. Okay. The same way, like sea. Sea is the water body and sea is seeing something. Yes, Krishnakant, do you have a doubt? Can't hear you. Can't hear you, Krishna. Okay. So when you understood this, basically you have to term words from every stanza. Stanza 1, stanza 2, stanza 3. There's the first para, second para, third paragraph. That each word which has two meanings. Okay. So I'll do it with you all. So now the first stanza, bed. Okay, bed. In this set, bed is a piece of furniture and the bottom of a river. Okay. What is another word that has two meanings over here?
Head.
What? Come again?
Foot.
Foot. Yes, foot. Foot. You can write foot as the mountain's foot and as a human foot. Very good. Very good. Anyone else? Have you all not understood it? नहीं समझे तो मेरे को पूछो.
Sir, head.
How? Head. Okay, head. Absolutely correct. The hammer's head and a human's head. Okay, because each line has one word which we are doing from the past 20 minutes. So
Sir,
each line obviously will have.
Wing. Wing.
Wing. Absolutely. So that is the first line. We are still on the first paragraph. Okay. Now let's go to the second paragraph. Second paragraph. What would be the first word that has two meanings?
Eye.
Ribs.
I. Okay, wait. We'll go line by line. Each line has a different meaning. Okay. I. What is the second paragraph? The second line of word?
Wing.
Wing. Absolutely. What is the third line of word?
Ribs.
Sickle.
Ribs. Okay. How tickle? Everyone can tickle. Okay. And what is the fourth line covered?
Trunks.
Okay. So wing eye is a human eye plus the eye of a needle. Wings is the wings of the birds and wings of a building. Ribs is ribs of a human plus ribs of a parasol. A trunk is trunk of a tree and trunk of a car. You all already have one meaning over there. You all just have to find another meaning. Okay, word हर stanza में वो एक word दिया है. You just have to find a next meaning for that. Okay. Let's go to the third. One second, huh? Okay, let's go to the third stanza. What is the third stanza ka first word? Which has two meanings? Teeth. Okay, teeth is which one teeth which humans have, another teeth are teeth of a rake. Have you all understood? Idhar tak samjha? Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Have the hands of a clock any left or right? What is the word over here?
Hands.
Okay.
Hands.
Can the garden plot be deep and dark? What is this?
Plot.
Plot.
Plot, absolutely. And what is the sound of a birch's bark?
Bark.
Bark. Birch means tree रे. Birch means tree. Tree का एक ही meaning होता है. Bark का दो meaning होता है. What is the two meanings of a bark? One meaning is barking, bark of a tree, and one is the dog's bark. Okay, has everyone understood here? Yes, Krushnaka. Yes, Krushnaka. No worries. You can leave. Take care. The video will be uploaded after today's lecture. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah. Write two lines from the poem which you can find humorous. Humorous matlab which you all can find funny. Okay. Two lines from the poem. Okay. So I'll give you all 2 minutes. So you can read the poem. Which line can you all find funny and why can you all find the line funny? Okay. Please mention it to me.
Sir,
Yes. Go ahead.
sir, I got one.
Say na.
Or a single hair from a hammer's head.
Okay. Why is it funny for you?
Because hammer is growing.
Hair. Weird दिखेगा, अजीब दिखेगा. Hammer के सर से बाल. Okay. Very nice. Can anyone else try? I want. Yes, Prince. Go ahead.
Sir, this line have the hands of a clock any left or right?
Okay, yeah, absolutely correct. How the hands of the clock, ऐसा hands of the clock घूमता है क्या? ऐसा घूमता है क्या? नहीं. It goes in one. Okay, very good. Okay, so you all can write any. Yes. Go ahead.
Why doesn't the wing of a building fly?
Building fly, obviously, because अगर ऐसा building उड़ने लगेगा तो हो गया. फिर हम लोग plane में बैठने का जरूरत ही नहीं. हम लोग building में उड़ के जाएगा. बराबर. So you all can use yes. Yes. Anyone else wants to try?
Or open the trunk of a tree at all?
Very good. हम लोग ऐसा चला रहे, गाड़ी चला रहे, बोल हम लोग झाड़ का डिक्की खोलेगा, नहीं चलता. Okay. Yes. Who was that? Who wants to try? Yes.
Sir, does the needle ever blink its eye?
बराबर. आँख मारे आके अभी तुम when you become big. ना अभी तुम लोग कोई अच्छा लगा तो तुम लोग ऐसा नीडल दिखाएगा कि उसको आँख मार नहीं. ठीक है? Okay. So you all understood this. Okay. Now find the figures of speech. Now this figures of speech, except interrogation and pun, we have done personification and alliteration. Okay. So let's try. What is personification? Only what I have thought. Tell me, what is personification?
Things that given a human quality.
Okay, human quality. Okay.
Sentence
Now,
which have human quality.
very good. Okay. So now tell me from this poem. Tell me one sentence that can be personification. Yes, only one. Now one person will have one only.
Yes, sir, I have one.
Hair from a hammer.
Yes, sir, and one that needle winking its eye.
Okay. Wait. Now in the sentence, can the needle ever wink its eye? I will give it a personification. Why? Because the human characteristic of winking is given. Okay, winking.
One more
That's
is
why
there.
it's a feature. Okay, so wait. We'll just go line by line. Just let me this. Okay. But before this, someone said or a single hair from a hammer's head. Okay. In this sentence, there is no personification because there is no human characteristic. Okay. Even animals can grow their hair. Okay. Even animals. So this cannot be personification. Okay. Okay. Which is the next sentence? Who wants to try?
Sir, can I
Are
try?
the teeth of at a rake ever going to bite?
Okay. Okay. Very good. 1 second. The third one, Deborah, you try. Okay. Are the teeth of the given bite human characteristic of biting? Yes, Deborah. Go ahead.
Can you tickle the ribs of a parasol?
Can you tickle? The human characteristic of tickle. So these three are personification. Has everyone understood what is personification in this? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now see, सब majority से मेरे को 2-3 लोग का कैमरा दिख रहा है. The people whose camera is off. Okay, I hope you all are paying attention, because if you all don't pay attention,
Yes, sir.
it's okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the next one? Let's just see. Either we are. Okay, next one is alliteration. What is alliteration, guys?
Sir, words are repeated.
Words having the same sound which are repeated for poetic effect.
Very good, very good. Okay, so can you all tell me what is alliteration? You all have to find any three.
Sir, can I tell?
What is it? Wait 1 second. Now, okay. Yes, Gia, you say one, then we'll see.
Sir, or single hair from Harmer's hand. Head, I mean.
Okay, absolutely. The letters H, A, and H, C are repeated. Very good. Okay. Now wait. Deborah. Wait. Those who have answered will not answer. I need everyone to answer. Okay.
Sir,
Prince
head
has
also
answered,
have
Deborah
it.
has answered.
Sir,
Yeah. Okay.
हेलो सर मैं बोलूं क्या?
एक सेकंड कौन I can't wait, मेरे को देखने दे कौन बोल रहा है. Who wants to show you? Yes, go ahead.
मैं बोलूं.
Yes, show you, sir.
Or open the trunk of the tree at all.
Or open the trunk of a tree at all. Yes, TR, yes. Ishan, you're the new student here.
yes, sir.
Okay. So I just see you just on your camera. So basically, मेरे को तेरे को hi तो बोलने दे, पहला lecture है तेरा. So I'm your teacher for English and history. Okay, and looking at you, वो तेरे पीछे Thanos का photo दिख रहा है मेरे को. I think that is Thanos. Is it Thanos?
No,
No. अच्छा कौन है वो? मेरे को Thanos दिखा.
me.
अरे behind you तेरे पीछे कौन है?
That's me.
Acha, you. Oh, very nice. Okay, so I understood you're into posters and all. So now this is my introduction. Okay, now everyone has given their introduction when they had come. So you have to also give your introduction before you start your academic class. So give your introduction. Tell us something about yourself.
My name is Ishan. I am studying in 9th standard, and
What do you like to play?
I love study.
You love studying?
Yes,
Okay, wow, very good. What?
And-
Yes, go ahead.
I like football to play.
Who's your favorite team in football?
I do not watch, but I play.
Acha, you like it. Okay. You want to answer the question in this? You have any idea of the
Yes.
question? Yes, go ahead. We are going for alliteration. Any one sentence which has repeating letters.
Or a single hair from a hammer's head.
Okay, it's already given. Any other sentence or a single hair? Deborah has already said. No, Gia has already said. Any other sentence?
Have the hands of a clock any left or right?
1 second. Have the hands of a clock. Yes, absolutely. HA and HA are different. Okay.
Sir,
So
one
has
more is there.
everyone? Yes.
Can the garden plot be deep and dark? DD is repeated.
बराबर.
Deep
Okay.
and dark.
So yes, but you all have just तुम लोग को सिर्फ तीन sentences पूछा, so only write 3. Okay. Now for the last part of the poem. Okay. Over here. Question number 5. Okay, everyone pay attention. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to read it and I will give you all 5 minutes. Okay, after 5 minutes, I'm going to ask 8 random people for the answers. Okay, so be prepared. So you have to read the following sentence and then fill in the appropriate words. She had a photographic memory but never dashed it. Okay. So just read. Don't, before answering, read all the 8 sentences, then we'll answer together. Okay. She had a photographic memory but never dashed it. He was struggling to figure out how lightning works when it dashed him. Okay. Every calendar's days are dash. A bicycle cannot stand on its own because it is dash. Okay, I am reading a book on anti-gravity. It's impossible to dash the book. I'll tell you a chemistry joke, but I know I wouldn't get a dash. Okay, this is very easy. What do you call Watson when Sherlock isn't around? And I would tell a history joke, but it's too dash. Okay, so these are puns. Okay, these are very easy. So we'll try the first one. Okay, I'll also try with you. She had a photographic memory, but never dashed it. What will this come?
Develop.
Develop.
Numbered.
Yeah.
Develop.
What? Numbered? No, it's not numbered. It will come develop. Okay, now I'll tell you why it is developed. Okay, why it's developed? Because photos, when we take photos, not now, but पुराने जमाने में जब हम लोग photos लेते थे, वो negatives आते थे, black and white color, negative. So you had to develop those photos to make it in color. That's why develop. Okay, very good. Whoever answered, very good. He was struggling to figure out lightning when it dashed him. What does lightning?
Struck him.
Struck him. Very good. Very good. Lightning struck. Okay. Every calendar days are dash. Number. Absolutely. We don't have unlimited days in the year. Barabar. How many days we have in every year?
31 or
365.
31. 31 कौन बोला? 31 we have a month. 31. I'm talking about a year. 300. No worries. 365. Okay. A bicycle cannot stand on its own because it is
too tired.
too tired. Now see the meaning of this word. Okay. Too tired. It has two meanings. Too tired means yes. Personification also आएगा. Too tired has two meanings. Too tired मतलब थक गया, एकदम ज्यादा थक गया. Too tired मतलब दो टायर है उसको. Okay, bicycle has two tires. So understanding how they are using it. This is also a type. See, you all only say the word too tired. Okay, I am too tired. The bicycle is too tired. Okay, मतलब दो टायर है bicycle को और एक मैं बहुत थका हुआ. Okay, has everyone understood till the fourth question? Everyone has understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am reading a book on anti-gravity. It is impossible to dash the book.
Put down.
Put down.
Put down. Absolutely correct. Why? Because gravity is again. You get if you all go to space anytime, if you all put अगर कुछ फेंकेगा नीचे और नीचे जाएगा ऊपर जाता है. Okay, that's it. I'll tell you a chemistry joke, but I know it wouldn't get a
Reaction.
Okay. Reaction. Why reaction? Because chemistry is all about adding things. मतलब किसको किसमें mix करना है. Okay, so I'll tell you a joke. When I was in 12th ना, so 12th का ending में we had this chemistry का exam. तो उसमें हम लोग को एक purple color का we had to basically mix all the chemicals and bring it up purple color substances. Okay, I was there for more than 4 hours. मेरा purple color के पास पे नहीं आ रहा था. लास्ट में मेरे बाजू वाला जो बना है मैं वही अपने इसमें पोर करके डाल दिया. Okay, if I would have done that before only मेरा 4 घंटा बच जाता. So just in case anyone takes chemistry आगे जाके you all can try this also. Okay, but I'm not advising you all to try. Okay, 7. What do you call Watson when Sherlock isn't around?
Homeless.
Okay. Why? Because Sherlock Holmes. Okay, Sherlock Holmes. Very good. I wouldn't tell a history joke, but it is
Old-fashioned.
Old-fashioned. Very good. Okay, so have you all understood till here, everyone? Any doubts over here till here?
No, sir.
Okay, your another activity is given for you all to read Alice in Wonderland. So that is not in your textbook. If you all Google करके, if you all want, okay, that just is the same thing. In these poems, what happens in these poems? Now they use this one word which has two meanings. Okay, so your homework for today, whatever we discussed from this, that I think it's 1.2. Have you ever seen whatever we discussed today? That you all have to write for homework. Has everyone understood what is the homework? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Only what we have discussed. There are two figures of speech which I have not thought, that is interrogation and pun. So don't need to apply that. Baki ka everything we have done. So this, okay. Form a group of 4 or 5 and discuss at least one or more stanza using the same style and devices a poet used. It should include homographs, interrogation, and rhyme scheme and rhyme scheme. Okay. So this is an activity which if you all want to try, you can try. If you all want to ask me, I'll try it. Okay. So how in this they have made a poem using one word which has two meanings. You all also can make either one paragraph or two paragraphs using one word of double meaning. Okay, two meaning. Okay, so you all can try this. This is just an activity which is there. Even if you all don't try, it's okay. But baki ka everyone has to do. Have you understood the homework for today? Pun meanings this way. Benoit, pun meanings like this. Then I would tell you a joke. I will tell you a history joke, but it is too old fashioned. It's called a pun. Okay, it is a joke. It is a humor joke, but here every word has two meanings. Okay, like that, like it's connected to each other. That's called a pun. When I teach you pun in figures of speech, that time I'll explain to you clearly. Okay, but now for this exam, so you won't have it. I'm 100% sure because I've asked your class teachers also. So they have given me only 7 to 8 figures of speech, which we have already done. So this won't come. So don't worry. Okay, till here, has everyone understood? Everybody? Any doubts?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. So you all know your homework for today. Okay. So now see 1.4 is just grammar. So I'll just go through it. We have done a noun form, verb form, adjective form. We have done. Have I done it with you all? Guys? No. Okay. I have not done. Okay. Okay. So this is basically this is not a इसको मैं chapter भी नहीं बोल सकता. This is just your workshop. Okay, this is just for you all to read it. It's nothing. It's not an exercise. No exercise कुछ नहीं. Okay, I'll just read it. How many times do you use the verb have in your conversation or writing? Try to keep a count of an hour or so. What do you find? So basically, the word have. Okay, the word have. How many times you use it in a day? That is that. So it's just an experiment. It doesn't have any exercise or something that we can apply. This is a workshop. Okay. So 1.4 is nothing. It's not a poem. It's not a chapter. It's just a workshop for you all to just count to know दिन में कितने बार have बोलते. Okay. So it's you all don't need to do that. Okay. So just let me show you how much we have finished. Okay. Everyone just pay attention over here. Okay. So from unit 1. Okay. Unit 1 we have done life, synopsis. Have you ever seen? Now, have you thought of the verb has? That is a workshop, so that is not it. So we have just left with one chapter, then we'll be done by unit 1. Has anyone have any doubt in the first 3 chapters? Anyone? Yes.
So I'm new, so I don't know.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Even I'm new.
Okay, no worries. See, those students who are new, you all don't have to worry because before this week and before the exam, we'll have a revision lecture. In that revision lecture, I'll be teaching you all the whole thing again. Plus, this all videos are uploaded on the YouTube, so I can go through it also. But I'll teach you all again, so you don't have to worry. The rest who were there from the starting have understood the first 3 chapters clearly.
Yes, sir.
आँख बंद करके तुम लोग मेरे को बोल सकते हैं. आँख बंद करके. Okay, the meeting will end now. If the meeting ends, you all can join again with the same link. But have you all understood till here? Any doubts till here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Okay. Okay. Very good.